welcome back to the channel. And on this episode, we are going to tackle a broken exhaust flex joint on this 2007 Saturn Ion. This coupling right here will crack and fail. Already broken that bolt loose. I took the heat shield bolt down and just bent it out of the way because getting to that bolt it's just a 10 millimeter, but getting to it from the bottom is terrible. This is the replacement part. Picked this up at O'Reilly's. It did not come with a gasket, so had to pick that up separately. Well, that came out with a stud. That kind of surprised me. Heat is your friend when possible. Oh yeah, yep. That's what you want to hear. All right, that came out. Just the nut came off, which is good. Heat is your friend. Don't never be afraid to use the old blue wrench there. Are disconnected from the downpipe. I just reached up there and unplugged it. Now we're gonna cut the pipe. This is a really straight area here. Well, there's that. It's done now. Right. There it is. I can show you the brake. Let's go over to the bench and figure out what to do with this. So here is our very ugly solution so far. I used my table to set this in place, to lay it all up and measure my marks. This is going to be our weld joint right here. This is our dirty old welder right here. Hey, you want to weld it for me? Okay. I'm famous for the bubblegum weld, as in the really crappy, never been to welding school welds. It is an ugly, ugly weld, but we're back in business. Go to the store and get a slip over clamp. We'll go ahead and get this thing bolted back in. Not gonna bore you with having to put that little coupler, but it was a 2 1/4 coupler that I put in the middle and just welded it in to call it done. But that was the part right there that we replaced. Basically for under $100, we got that back on the road instead of having to buy that whole assembly or go see a muffler guy. So that was it, and this part can go in the recycle bin. All right, we will see you the next time something breaks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.